In this video today, I'm going to be speaking to you about how you can make $1,000 per month on YouTube without making a single video. What's going on, guys? Bradley Riley here. Welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Now in this video today, as mentioned, I'm going to be speaking to you about how you can make money on YouTube without making a single YouTube video. Now in the title I've put how you can make $1,000, but the truth is with this business model you could make $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, probably even $10,000 plus per month if you take action upon what I'm going to tell you today, okay? Now just before we jump into these strategies, if you are new around here, I just want to invite you to subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on that notification bell so you never miss another upload. And if you do find value in this video, I'd also love you can leave a like and drop a comment down below at the end of your biggest takeaway. Now without further ado, let's hop into it. So I just want to start by saying that there is a huge misconception when it comes to making money on YouTube, right? Most people tend to think that the only way you can make any kind of full-time income on YouTube is simply just by having a huge audience and making lots of money from AdSense and from ad revenue. Now, whilst that is true for many people, there are thousands of people out there that make the majority of their money from YouTube AdSense and from ad revenue. The issue of that is most of these people have millions of followers, or if not that, at least hundreds of thousands of followers. And in order to make any kind of real substantial income from YouTube ad revenue, you are going to need lots of views. You are going to need a big audience. And that isn't something that necessarily everybody is going to be able to do. You're going to need to put a lot of time into it. You're going to need to build an audience. You're going to have to get in front of the camera. In the beginning, you're probably going to have to edit and do all of these other things, okay? And this isn't something that's really actionable. And yes, further down the line, I will make another video on how you can build an audience and grow a following. But that's not what this video is about today. And I just kind of want to put to bed that idea that that is the only way to make money on YouTube. As a matter of fact, there are actually hundreds of ways that you can make money on YouTube that doesn't relate to AdSense and making money from YouTube ad revenue. And I'm going to hop into one of those with you today. So the way that you can actually make money on YouTube without making a single video is simple. All you have to do is become a YouTube manager for somebody else. Now you may be thinking, Brad, what is a YouTube manager and kind of what does that involve? And it's very simple. Imagine everything that is entailed with running a YouTube channel, okay? But take out the fact of editing videos, take out the fact of thumbnails. Let's look at the YouTube channel. We're not talking about the videos now, we're simply talking about the channel itself, okay? So this could be uploading videos. This could be ranking YouTube videos. This could be titling YouTube videos, writing the descriptions, adding the tags. This could be something as simple as replying to the comments and generally keeping on top of the general maintenance of the YouTube channel. So what you got to understand is there are millions and millions of people out there who are busy individuals, or there are plenty of businesses that are run through YouTube who maybe just simply do not have the time to do it themselves. You know, even if you look at someone like myself, I've only got a pretty small audience on YouTube. I've got, you know, just over kind of 10,000 subscribers here, but I'm a busy person, right? I have other businesses. So for me, it wouldn't be a bad idea to hire a YouTube manager that will free up my time to work on other parts of my business. I would happily pay somebody to manage my YouTube channel. Okay, now this isn't something that I currently do just because I'm investing money and time into other areas, and I actually love making the YouTube videos. I love the YouTube part. It's really the favorite part of my business. But the point is, there are people out there are businesses out there that simply do not understand it. They don't want to do it themselves. Maybe they got bigger audiences already, or maybe they're looking to grow an audience and they're simply looking for somebody to help them with it. So my advice to you is this: go onto YouTube, and I guarantee you within a day, even probably within the space of 3 or 4 hours, you can learn enough about YouTube to become a YouTube manager. All you need to do is learn a couple things, okay? And it's really simple. Number one, learn how to navigate YouTube. Learn how YouTube works. Learn all the buttons. Learn where they take you, okay? Understand YouTube as a platform. Most of you probably already do, but if you don't, do some research into it. Create a YouTube channel and have a play around with it, okay? And start to understand the back end inside of the Creator Studio, how you can upload YouTube videos. Number 2, and this is the most important thing, you need to learn how to title and tag and rank YouTube videos, because that is the main part of the service. So if you can go onto YouTube right now, you can learn how to rank videos within the space of probably a couple hours. It's a very simple formula behind how you can become top ranking, okay? And it all comes down to what you title the video, what you tag the video, and what you put in the description. And you can use all kind of tools like TubeBuddy. There's a ton of other ones out on the market that will help you do this, okay? And if you understand that, if you can teach yourself how to do that online within even if you take a full day to learn this, okay, you can then offer that as a service to somebody else, like a busy business owner, to a business or a YouTuber that simply do not have the time to do it anymore. Now you also may be thinking, Brad, okay, that's great saying that I can offer this service and I can learn it really easily. How do I find clients? And again, my answer is very, very, very easy for you. You just need to look on freelance websites. Now, freelance websites are amazing because there is a huge demand. Now, if you take a look here, on screen now, if you simply go onto Upwork.com, which is the largest freelance website in the world to date right now, if you go on there and type in YouTube or type in YouTube Manager or just YouTube SEO, you're going to get a huge list of jobs that were added within the last 24 hours alone, looking to pay you hundreds if not thousands of dollars every single month to go in and manage a YouTube channel. So all you have to do is simple. Go onto Upwork, create an account as a YouTube specialist, as a YouTube manager, as a YouTube SEO expert. Fill out your profile and start reaching out to people who are actively seeking help with YouTube management, okay? And it is as simple as that. And you could easily charge, depending on how much time it takes you, you could easily charge anywhere from $400 up to $2,000 per month to run and manage these YouTube channels. And obviously it depends on the budget, depends on the person. You know, if you reach out to somebody who is just starting off their YouTube channel, they want to make it a business, they're not making loads of money right now, but they want to build it up over time and make that a full-time income, well, you're not probably going to be able to charge them $2K a month. You're probably only going to be able to charge maybe $300, $400, $500 a month. But instead, if you can go on there and you can find somebody maybe who has an audience of 2 million followers, maybe they've got a business network of 5 or 6 YouTube channels that need managing, you can easily start to charge $1, $2K a month to do this, and that's easily a full-time income for most people. You know, look, even if you're maybe just starting out and you don't want to charge on a fixed rate retainer, you could easily put your hourly rate at $25, $30, $40, $50 an hour and just work by the hour instead. Now, over time, if you want to build a long-term scalable business, you're not going to want to really be working hourly. But in the beginning, if you're just looking to make $1, $2K a month from this, you could easily charge $30, $40, $50 an hour and just work kind of 10, 20 hours a week and you'll be making a full-time income. And obviously in this video, I just mentioned that you can use Upwork. But if you do a bit more research into it and go onto Fiverr.com, go onto peopleperhour.com, Guru.com, you can find that there's a ton of these other freelance websites and there's people out there looking for help. And what's great about this and understanding YouTube is, you know, further down the line, you want to actually make money from your own YouTube channel. If you want to build your own audience, you can do that alongside it as you really learn the maths behind the YouTube algorithm and how you can rank YouTube videos. Okay, so as mentioned, yes, you know, you can reply to comments, you can manage the YouTube channel, but the key one really, this is the key thing you need to learn, is YouTube SEO. How you can rank YouTube videos with keywords, titles, and tags. I know it sounds scary, but I promise you if you do some research into it, you'll realize it's not as bad as it seems. Okay then guys, awesome. I hope you found a ton of value in this video today. Comment down below now your biggest lesson, your biggest takeaway from this video, or if you have any questions about maybe something I didn't cover in this video, I reply to all my YouTube comments myself, so if you need any help, again, just feel free to drop a comment down below. Make sure you go and take action on this video. Just don't be one of those people who watches YouTube videos all day but then never goes and takes action. You can start this today and you can find a client today. There are people looking for help today. And I promise you this, there's a lot of demand, but there's actually not a ton of competition in this niche at the minute. There's not a ton of YouTube managers, YouTube experts on these freelance platforms. So again, it's going to be even easier for you to actually go and get a job because there is no competition. There is, but I mean, there's not that much, okay? So make sure you capitalize on it now before it does get more saturated, because these are the golden times for you to make money on YouTube without making a single video. So again, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like if you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.